by pressing the button. This is my first proper reaction video. I was working on it for hours and it's finally here, so I'm excited. And I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm gonna try this out. Super excited, man. Move this out a little bit so I don't sound so too loud. Alright. Let's start this.
To the button, a speed dating show. When the button lights up red, either player may press it and swap
Dude,
out
this
their
seems
date
exciting.
with a new person.
Get out of here.
If two people can last on a date for 10 minutes, they win an all expenses paid second date.
This is the button.
What up, what up?
Dude.
How are you?
She's gonna press on Carlos. I
Carlos.
got her see it.
Both of our hands are
Yo,
sweaty.
he's fresh.
Oh shit, well, alright.
How old
Yo,
are
he's
you?
fly,
I'm
charming.
36.
Okay.
How old are you?
35.
I don't believe you now.
You don't? Because I look younger.
Look at him, yeah.
You look
Riz. Bro, I
I look
swear
older
he pressed
than
on him. I'm
35?
so mad.
Yes.
So
Yo, she pressed on
I
him.
don't
I'm
mean
so
to be
mad, bro.
rude.
Wow.
You really do have beautiful teeth. Though. You have a really nice
Thank
smile.
Yo, he is
And you have
Riz
a really
her up.
sincere voice.
Voice?
Why?
Me old, bro.
No
You never do that to a woman.
way.
Hey.
He was about to knock her out too,
Good, how are
bro.
you?
You gotta take her out too. Okay. Okay, Josh.
Too.
How old are you?
I'm 32.
32.
Yeah, way about
Boy,
yourself.
younger.
35.
She a cougar, bro.
Okay, that's close to
Do you like older women?
I mean, you're similar to age. Yeah, I don't really view it as that.
Oh,
Did you go to Terrace?
Yes.
slick. That was slick. That
Why
was
did you
slick.
flick?
Because he knows me.
Hey, yo. Oh, okay.
Hi,
Oh,
how are you? That's dope hair.
Thank you.
That's solid.
okay.
So much.
Yeah, I like your Terrace. I'm Josh.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. I'm Sky.
Nice to
All
meet
right.
you.
Okay,
have
Josh.
those
You
too.
raising it
A
up.
few.
Okay.
Yeah, sleeve, half sleeve, chest piece.
Can we see more of your tattoos?
Sure.
Oh,
Can I
we
still
didn't
show
get a
him or no?
chance.
Why did you reject him?
I feel like he might
Yo.
be old for me. Just guessing. Hi. Good,
Dude, I don't know if
Sky.
he was too old. I didn't even hear her name.
Nice to meet
Okay,
you.
Alvin.
How old are you?
I'm 25.
Bro, knock her out first, bro.
I'm 23.
Oh yeah, he
Is
was
that
older.
too young for you? Is that a deal breaker?
Ooh, yeah, he
I
was
don't
definitely
think
older.
so.
Ooh,
Okay.
yo,
Why did
that's
you
what first,
reject
bro. These
her?
people be
Not
so
my type.
slick.
She was very cool though.
Yo, these people were
like her
so
fit.
slick with it. Ain't no way, they were
Shay?
so slick.
What's your name?
I'm Alvin.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I like your tattoos.
Yo, she about to knock
Do you
him
have
out,
any
bro.
tattoos?
No,
She about to
No
take him out.
tattoos?
I want some though.
What do you want?
I don't know.
Nah,
That's why
she
I
knew
haven't gotten
it.
one yet.
Wow, she hesitated too.
Oh wow. Was it
Damn,
for
how did you not see
tattoos?
that?
The indecisiveness. I like somebody who knows what they want. You know.
Oh wow,
Hello.
really? But if I ask you what to eat though, it's gonna be a head ass like,
What do you do? What is your life look
bro.
I'm a manager at a primary care, and right after work, I
This
like
guy
to
looks like Joji,
get a
bro.
run in, do some weights.
Do you have any other hobbies?
She better not click on Joji, bro. He look like Joji's brother,
Hobbies.
Doji or something.
Can't
I don't
really
know.
say I'm that interested.
Austin, what was up with that?
The fact that you don't have
Big
any other
bubble.
hobbies. I'm a very creative person, I guess.
Oh,
My
creative,
life is
okay.
never- Oh my
Yes.
gosh. Because I'm a creative person?
Nah, she did the boys
You're not
dirty.
Cute, sorry.
Ouch, ouch, ouch.
I'm not cute.
Boy, City Boys
Okay,
up.
I'm cute.
City Boys up.
Why did you
Let's
reject
go.
her?
I don't like
Let's go, Doji. Let's go, Doji.
colorful hair. Hi,
Yo, that's why I like the man
what's
for.
your name?
Oh, she's
April.
cool for hair.
April, Austin.
Nah,
Okay, sorry.
she
I thought you said
bad.
awesome. And I was like,
She
okay.
bad though.
Man, your hair is like
Think you might knock her.
flames.
Oh look, yeah, he's a knocker out. He's setting her up.
Austin
He's setting
can
up.
run a mile under 5 minutes.
So you like to run?
Oh, I love running.
Would you go running with him?
I'm like a walker. I like to walk with my dog and not run
Okay.
with my dog.
Ah,
So
you're a dogger.
Austin, do you like
Okay,
dogs?
look at Doji, bro. Who's gonna get it first, bro? Oh,
Oh, weak. You caught me when I was
Doji,
looking.
no.
my dog
Doji,
is my
no,
child.
bro.
I am not a dog person.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
love
it's all good.
cats.
Yo, he's gonna knock her out first, bro.
And if you're not a dog person, that's a deal breaker.
Dog person on deal breaker.
April, nice to meet you.
Okay, right away.
Let's see
Are
who
you
gonna get it
attracted
first.
to each other?
Do you find me attractive?
I do not. But you seem funny.
But you seem funny,
Danny says he has a
No.
good sense of humor. Tell her a joke.
bro.
A joke? Oh, you gotta do me a joke
Dude,
like this?
she hit him with
puns are my
the.
thing, so if you got a good one for me.
She hit him with
Do you
the.
have a science pun? Can you
With
help me out with
the.
this one?
Made out of 11
With the.
photons.
Oh, I seen you
are
around school.
sodium
You're funny. To be honest, you're funny. She hit him with the. To be honest, you're funny, bro.
Okay, come at me. I gave
She
my
hit him with the.
share.
To be honest, you're
Sure,
funny.
I gotta do
That
it.
is sick. Dog, he was coming, bro. Come
Sorry,
on,
Danny.
dog.
It was nice meeting you.
He didn't even try, dog.
Yes.
Yo, he got like a sperm shirt or some
We
shit. What the
asked
fuck was
him.
that?
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Good. Like the
I
pants.
love the hair.
Ooh, I like this. You look good together.
Oh, thank you. I think we look good together.
Oh nah, she gonna knock him out. I can already see it in her eyes.
What's your go-to?
He likes
I'm
her.
from Louisiana, so I definitely like.
He got the
making, like, a
anime
seafood
hat,
pasta.
My seafood
tattoos.
pasta dish is a linguine.
She gonna knock him out.
That's my favorite.
If
dinner.
he knocks her out, like if he gets her out first, bro, I'm gonna be surprised
What
because
about your last
he likes her.
relationship?
I can already see it. I can already see that he likes
My
her.
last relationship ended terribly.
I can already see that
out for work, I
he
came
likes
back
her. She's
home,
waiting
got
for that button to
She
red,
cheated
bro.
on me, and also
Still waiting for
got
it.
pregnant with that guy's child.
Do you think there's anything
Oh,
that you
damn.
could have recognized earlier on?
Definitely, I think it was
My
because I
guy's
think I
venting
noticed,
too much. He's not
some
paying
red
attention to the game
flags
plan,
and
bro.
Stuff like that.
You gotta
Like,
get ready to
personality
press.
just hit a whole 180.
She
But I
gonna
think I
press
just
you,
want to
bro.
like believe it. So I was trying to drown myself.
Bro, she
with
waiting
work.
for it.
You know, the 2020 was not my best year.
That's what I.
It
She
has the
made you
tendency to
vent,
give that,
so
so
you
I-
can
I-
do.
No, it's fine.
She
It's
set
totally
you
fine.
up,
I appreciate
bro.
you.
It was
Sorry,
nice meeting
Miles.
you.
Set you
Nah,
up
it's
with a
okay.
1, 2,
Why
3
did
went
you
down to the
reject
body,
him?
bro.
How many times did he ask me about myself?
Good point, girl.
But anyways,
Hi.
all right.
I'm EJ.
April.
Egypt,
Nice
dude,
to
that's a
meet ya.
badass name, bro.
like your hair.
Thank you.
Yo, she been on a run, bro. I know he's ready, bro.
Companionship is nice.
Yo, he got the diamond earrings, the neck tag, the gold chain. He ready,
Yeah,
bro.
but I have my dog too.
Okay.
You're not allergic to dogs.
No, I love dogs.
Okay, that was a deal
They're
breaker.
interested,
Someone
bro.
wasn't
He's gonna
involved.
impress her.
dogs.
Yeah, okay.
Dogs love me. You know what I'm saying? What made you dye your hair orange?
I have a skin
Damn,
condition,
I'm surprised.
psoriasis. I have a platform where I am trying to like normalize the beauty standards of trying to make people comfortable in their skin. I'm trying to trend orange to be psoriasis awareness. So this is me
Oh, that's pretty
trending
cool,
it as
actually.
much as
'Cause I have a friend
possible.
that has
And now it's become
psoriasis
kind
and
of my
stuff.
look. So
It is so cute.
But who's impressed, bro?
It is. I
They're actually
agree.
hitting out very
Ask her
well.
if she
I was
likes
surprised.
daddies.
I thought he was gonna do
Oh.
it. 'Cause I was like, damn, she's on a knockout streak,
Do
undefeated.
you like guys that have kids? Yeah, because I have 2 kids.
Is it a deal
Oh,
breaker
here
that
we
he has
go.
kids?
Here
no,
we go.
it's not a deal breaker.
Oh, okay. All right, that's
So,
cool.
I'm gonna turn on
That's
that
really cool.
one more time, and
You
if
gonna
you
press
don't
it?
click it, we'll pay for a second day.
They actually wanted to. Actually, I think they're pretty compatible. They seem good. Good chemistry.
You matched. Congrats.
Okay. April, you won. Undefeated. April's top 2 pound for
Maybe I should have
pound.
worn light gray.
Yeah, this is pretty good.